In a cozy coffee shop, Alex, a tech enthusiast, and Jamie, a curious learner, settle down with their laptops, eager to explore the intricate world of computer hardware and understand its essential components. Alex, hey Jamie, ready to delve into computer hardware? Absolutely, Alex. I've always been curious about how computers actually work. Where should we start? Alex, let's start with the basics. A computer system is made up of several important components: the CPU, memory, storage, and peripherals. Each plays a crucial role in how a computer functions. Jamie. Got it. So what exactly does the CPU do? Alex, the CPU, or central processing unit, is like the brain of the computer. It processes instructions from programs and performs calculations that allow the computer to do tasks like running software or playing games. And what about memory? Is it different from storage? Yes, they serve different purposes. Memory, or RAM, random access memory, is like the computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly while the computer is running. Storage devices like hard drives and SSDs, solid-state drives, are for long-term storage. They keep your files, programs, and operating systems safe even when the computer is turned off. Jamie, how do storage devices like hard drives and SSDs work? Great question. Hard drives have spinning disks inside them that store data magnetically. Great, they're good for storing large amounts of data at a lower cost. SSDs, on the other hand, use flash memory, which is faster and more durable than traditional hard drives. They're excellent for speeding up your computer and accessing data quickly, but they're typically more expensive for larger storage capacities. So, it's like the difference between a speedier but more expensive option versus a slower but cheaper one? Exactly. It's all about balancing speed, capacity, and cost based on what you need from your storage. What about peripherals? How do they fit into all of this? Peripherals are devices like keyboards, mice, printers, and monitors that connect externally to the computer. They're essential for interacting with the computer and using it for various tasks like typing, navigating, printing documents, and displaying visuals. How do all these parts connect and communicate with each other? They connect through the motherboard, which is like the computer's main circuit board. The motherboard holds the CPU, memory slots, and connectors for other components and peripherals. It acts as the central hub that allows everything to communicate effectively. What about graphics and sound? How does the computer handle those? Alex, graphics are managed by the GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, which is responsible for rendering images and videos on your screen. It can be integrated into the CPU or be a separate card for more powerful performance. Sound is handled by a sound card or integrated into the motherboard, allowing your computer to produce audio for things like music, videos, and games. How does the computer get power to run all of this? That's where the power supply unit, PSU, comes in. It converts the electricity from your wall outlet into power that the computer components can use. It provides electricity to the motherboard, CPU, storage devices, and all the other parts that need it. There's so much going on inside a computer. Are there any other important parts we haven't talked about yet? Alex, cooling systems are crucial too. Computers generate a lot of heat when they're running, especially the CPU and GPU. Cooling systems like fans and heat sinks help dissipate that heat and keep the components from getting too hot, which could damage them or slow down the computer. As their coffee shop conversation concludes, Alex and Jamie have explored the intricate workings of computer hardware, from CPUs and memory to storage devices and peripherals. Alex's explanations and Jamie's questions have provided a clear understanding of how these components collaborate. Alex encourages Jamie and the audience to continue exploring technology through hands-on learning. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of computer hardware. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of IT and beyond.